Yes! Oh my god!
We're here to put the brand new GoPro Hero 9 through its paces.
There's so many cool things to do in town though, so we've had to be selective. We've picked out a couple of pretty extreme things to get into.
Starting off on the ground.
We're getting up in the air! We're just about to hit our first trail. The rain's come out, which makes things even more extreme.
Also, our first trail is an intermediate grade 3, so I'm a little bit worried.
I think we've got this. We're gonna make it work. You okay? Once you've tackled all the big rapids, you can go down one without the boat.
A little bit scary. Going now. Say goodbye.
Done a few hefty zip lines. Now we're walking out on quite a large ledge.